Hi everyone, Yap here. So today I'll be teaching you on how to do migration using the AWS MGN, right? So to start this lab, we need to have an on-premise environment which I will build in my own lab, right? So we need to have Windows 2012, and I need to install the AWS replication agent into the VM, and then we will do the replication to AWS Cloud. And this will be the process of the replication I will walk you through in my future lab, right? So just to let you know, we will have a replication template and launch template, and then we have a replication server and conversion server. This will be done automatically by the MGN itself, right? And then it will come out the final product, which is our test VM inside the AWS, right? And then you will need to mark it as at ready to cut over, and then after that this will be the final product. This test is just for you to test it out whether it's working or not, and then after it's working, then you will need to do a final cut over, and then after final cut over you will delete the MGN will auto delete all the resources created by them, right? So before we start the lab, we need to know the prerequisite, right? So the prerequisite will be the Windows 2012 obviously, and the VMware workstation, right? So obviously you need to have a AWS account, and then you need to have the IAM access key to get the programmatic access for the AWS replication agent, right? And then lastly, you need to have AWS credit, right? Because this lab will incur cost, because this commercial server is M4.large, so it will cost you a bit, but AWS credit you can go and Google it how to get, right? Or if you are rich, then you can just spend your own money. It's just a few USD, right? Not a few cent of USD lah, right? Okay, so without further ado, we go to the first prerequisite, which is Windows 2012, right? So I already deployed the machine here, right? So you need to do a few things on this. First, you need to if you are in the server team, you know what to do lah. First, you need to disable the firewall, right? So make sure everything is disabled already. Then after this, you need to turn on what? If you know, go to advanced system setting. You need to turn on the remote connection, right? So that after that, when it convert to AWS VM, you can actually remote in and see what is happening inside, right? The next thing, you need to change the computer name, right, to the one you desire lah, right? And then the last thing will be just to double confirm, go to service, and then make sure the remote desktop service is set to automatically. This one just for insurance, don't like when you cut over there, then it stop running, right? So I think that's the few things you need to take note, okay? And then make sure the time is synced, right? I think that's it. You have a network connection, right? So this will be our first prerequisite, and then the second one will be the VMware workstation, okay, AWS account with IAM access key, okay. So let's go to AWS. Okay, so to go to the security IAM access key, you go to IAM first, okay, then you go to your user. Okay, I only created one user, that's me. So you go over where is it? Security credential, and then over access key. You can see this one is to enable programmatic access, right? So you can see this one previously I tested out, so you can see is with MGN, right? MGN is the migration service at the Singapore region, so I used it before, this access key. So in order to create, you just create the access key, and then it will show you some warning on this will be the only time you can view the access key, everything. Okay, so this is the only time you can actually see the secret access key, right? You can show, right? So you need to keep this info confidential, as this will actually this will actually let your account be compromised, because is if people have this, they can actually access your AWS account, right? And then you can just download this. This will be the only chance you can download this access key file. So when you download, it will like something like this. All right. So you can just use this to log in the future lab, right? So just skip this, okay, don't save. Okay, so I'll just make this, I'll just deactivate this, right? Then delete it. Okay, so that's it. We have done on the prerequisite, and the next lesson I will teaching you how to install the AWS replication agent inside the Windows 2012. Okay, so hope you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, right? Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you, bye bye.